In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Mailchimp subscription step by step. Whether you've decided that Mailchimp no longer meets your needs or simply want to take a break, this easy to follow guide will help you do that in a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Head over to their website and enter your login credentials. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you're entering the correct login details for the account you wish to cancel. Once you're logged in, you'll notice your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is typically where you'll find access to various account settings. Click on your profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for and select Account and Billing. This will take you to a page where you can view details about your account, such as your current plan, billing information, and other settings. Next, you'll want to access the settings related to your plan. On your account and billing page, locate and click on Settings. This section is where you can manage aspects related to your subscription, including any updates or changes you might need to make. Now, it's time to manage your plan. Find and choose Manage My Plan, where you will see options regarding your subscription details. Here you can explore different choices related to your current Mailchimp plan. As you scroll down the page, you'll come across the option to either pause or cancel plan. Click on this area as this is where the process of cancellation begins. Mailchimp conveniently places these options to give you some flexibility in managing your account. Choose the option to cancel plan and follow the prompts that appear. Mailchimp has a straightforward series of prompts to guide you through their cancellation process, ensuring you understand your options and the implications of cancelling your subscription. During the cancellation process, Mailchimp will ask for a reason as to why you're cancelling your plan. You'll find a list of reasons to choose from, or you could provide your own unique explanation. This feedback helps Mailchimp improve its service, so feel free to let them know your honest thoughts. Once you've entered your reason for cancellation, you'll need to confirm your choice. Take a moment to double check your decision before you proceed, as this final step will deactivate your subscription. Finally, after you've completed all these steps, Mailchimp will process your cancellation request. You can expect to receive a confirmation email indicating that your account has been successfully cancelled. Be sure to check your inbox or spam folder for this email as a record of your cancelled subscription. And that's it, you've successfully cancelled your Mailchimp subscription. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to leave a comment or share this video. Have a great day.